Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram network request field. For example, if you open Instagram on your iPhone and you see an error like network request failed on your Instagram, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So as the error is written, your network request failed. So what you have to do, you have to check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or network connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply check your Wi-Fi connection, and after that you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to click on that, and after clicking on general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and after that you have to simply reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back, and after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again. After that you have to click on general, and this time you have to go to iPhone storage. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down and you find the Instagram app. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on offload app, and after clicking on offload the app, you will find the option here reinstall the app. So here you have to simply reinstall the app, and after installing the app you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for the next step, which is as that you have to search for the App Store. Here in App Store you have to simply search for Instagram app, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it's showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app, and after updating your problem will be solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.